Hello, and welcome to a series I am calling Why Do I Feel the Need to Be So Independent? Wherein I do something that I could have had someone else do for me had I just asked, but I felt the need to do it myself instead. Tonight we're making dinner. We have smoked apple Chardonnay chicken sausage, country potatoes and green beans, frozen, eggs, mini French baguettes. What really freaks me out about these sausages is that they have no expiration date on them. Really? Ah! I'm not made for the kitchen. Do I even have a pan to put them in the oven in? This is way too big, but it's all I have. They're so much smaller than I thought they would be. And I have one for later. With cheese! I will manage to use about 1 million dishes before I'm done. It's a gift, really. I love smoked paprika. I'll put it on anything. Even if I don't think it should really be in there, I'll probably put it in there anyway. Ginger does a lot. I'm only supposed to cook them for 4 to 6 minutes. That seems like a very short amount of time. Why did I use this? The rest of it, all of it. I think those are overcooked. Whoops. Oh well. Oh yeah, that did exactly what I wanted. Okay, cool. Cool. I'm gonna separate it onto 2 plates so that I can wrap one for leftovers tomorrow. Okay. It's not bad. No, it's actually pretty good for like mostly frozen stuff. It's satisfactory. It did make me want to make sweet potato hash though. What I usually make. I'm gonna go eat this and start watching Love Island. Goodbye.